Hey there, Joe here from ShortPoint, and today I want to show you our new gradient text element. So on my site, I have a little header here, and I've got a little welcome message greeting our users that are visiting the site. But I don't want to just add some plain white text in here that says welcome to our site. I want to add some gradient text just to give this a little bit more style here. So we're going to add a new design element. You'll see we have this new gradient text element. And by default, it's just going to say gradient text here. Let's go ahead and just update this. And we're going to say to ShortPoint HR portal. And what I also want to do is just quickly adjust the alignment. And you'll see up at the top, we've got some of the kind of standard text editor features you might expect. We can change the size, the alignment, etc. We're going to next, though, look at the design tab, which is where we can control the gradient settings. So as you see here, there is a gradient applied by default. When you're working on your site, you may want to choose some of your primary or secondary alternate colors coming from the theme that you've set for your site. So we'll go ahead and do that here. Maybe I want my first gradient color to be that primary color, and we'll make it have a gradient over to this alternate lighter color. Now, once you've put in your colors, there are also a couple of different styles that you can choose from that just adjust the way that the gradient is actually applied. Right now, it just kind of goes dark to light. But if we play with a couple of these other styles, you can see, and there's some variety to what those gradients can look like. We also down below do have a line settings options where we can adjust the height and the spacing. If I wanted this to be a little bit taller, give a little spacing maybe above and below it, we could adjust that line height. I could also adjust the letter spacing one way or another if I want those letters to be a little spaced out or to have them be a little closer together here. Finally, if we look at the advanced tab, we do have the ability to add a shadow here as well. By default, this is going to be disabled, but if I did want to add in this shadow, we could turn that on. Again, we can adjust the color. I'm going to change that maybe to one of our other lighter colors so it's a little easier to see. There's what that shadow looks like here with the default settings. We could adjust that blur a little bit, or again, adjust the distance, vertical and horizontal here on that shadow. For now, we're going to turn that off and leave it as it is. That's the basics of the ShortPoint gradient text element. Let us know what you think.